Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Maddie, and today I am going to be showing you my little storage hacks for my flat. So if you've seen any of my other videos on my flat, you'll have seen that it is quite small. It's just a one-bedroom flat and I have a lot of stuff, so I've had to be very clever with my storage, and I just thought that I would show you kind of more in depth what I've done and some just little storage hacks that you can use if you have a small space to work with as well. So let's just get into it. So the first thing I'm going to start with are these squares. I have loads of these dotted around my flat and they are just so good. They're from IKEA, but you can just basically fit so much stuff in them. So I have all of my hair products in here, and then just, I mean, it is full of random stuff at the moment. I need to go through them, but yeah, you can just fit so much, and I really like how this is kind of like a side table as you come in. Next we have a little bowl as you come in, because I feel like just stuff always collects, and this is just a really good storage hack so that, you know, everything's kind of one place. It's still messy, there's still so much stuff in there, but it's kind of contained in a nice little bowl. Okay, so this is my next hack. It's kind of a 2-in-1. I left my laundry out. I was going to take it down and I thought, no, like, this is such a good hack that I have high shelves. Luckily my flat is a period property, so I have a lot of ceiling space, and I decided to build in these shelves, again just from IKEA, for some of my shoes, and I just have a ladder that I use to get up there, or I'll step on a chair or something, and then this doubles up so nicely for when I want to dry my washing in my flat. I usually have a dehumidifier as well underneath it, but I don't at the moment because mine broke. So I have these shelves in loads of places. We've got this one here, and then I have this one in my bedroom. I've just got some oh, it's gone really yellow, hats and scarves, etc. And then I also have one in my bathroom, which has just like spare towels and bedding and stuff like that. Next up, something which is also up high, we have these baskets. Now I was really hesitant to put anything on top of these cupboards because I didn't want it to look too messy, and I'm not like overly keen on these, but they work just in terms of getting things out the way that you don't want to necessarily put in your kitchen cupboards. I can't remember where these baskets were from, probably like eBay or something, but I got them in grey to kind of match the decor. And I just have like Tupperware up there. I've got some dog stuff in this one, and then just random, like, I don't even know what's in there. Another little hack that I have is basically any space you can find, create a shelf. I got my builder to make this little shelf in here. There was originally a microwave up here, which, I mean, is a good storage hack when you don't have that much surface space, but I kind of wanted all my copper stuff out, so I really like this shelf for like all my cookbooks and stuff like that. Next up we have my sofa. This is from IKEA. It was super affordable and I absolutely love it because not only is it a sofa bed, it's super easy. Like, you literally just pull this out and up. It has so much storage in it, which again I need. So I have a load of bedding in here. I have the bedding for this, and then also my bed in there. And I mean, I chucked this throw in there yesterday and it's not really going down, but if I just sit on it a few more times we should be fine. Another thing I really like about this, which isn't necessarily a space hack, but the L shape kind of divides the space. If you have, like, usually in a small space you'll have like your kitchen, diner and everything together, maybe even your bedroom. So to have the shape of this, it just kind of creates more of a separate space in the kitchen, so I can have like my lounge area here. And also another little hack, I don't love this, but it is very good for storage. Have an ottoman that you can just chuck stuff in, so I get a lot of packages and I put them in here so that it doesn't look really messy in this area. And then we move over to this side table. I mean, I was gonna fully tidy my flat for this, but I thought I'd just keep it realistic. I've got my lemon and honey and ginger in here because I'm a little bit sick at the moment. But I absolutely love this table. I've talked about this before in my vlogs, but it is so good because I use it to work. When I'm sat here, I put my laptop on it. I use it as my dining table because I don't have any space in here for a dining table. And then when guests stay round, I move it over here for a side table for them. So it is just such a good multifunctional piece to have. My next tip is just to have bowls and pots and baskets everywhere. I have literally bought so many and filled them with just stuff. I've got some more in here, but that brings me on to my TV unit. I absolutely love it. I always get questions from people as to where it's from. It's from IKEA, obviously. So this was a unit, and then these two are square shelves that my builder attached to the top. Because of this middle beam, it can take the weight because there's a lot of stuff in here. But what I would say is split up your space between drawers and baskets and doors, just to mix it up. But I have so much makeup in here. I'll show you. I've got like yeah, just excess makeup that doesn't fit in my bedroom. There's some sunglasses in there. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff. And then in these baskets, this one has my fake tan. Oh, I got it so heavy I can't push it in. This one has nail stuff, like literally a whole thing of fake lashes and nails. And then this is all my camera equipment, etc. And then up here it's pretty much the same in terms of makeup. This one is like a filing cupboard, hair stuff in here. And then on the top, another basket full to the brim of sun cream. Next up is built-in wardrobes. So I built this, well, I obviously didn't build it. My builder built this thing from IKEA. In this space. It literally fits so perfectly. So this was just like an empty space, and I thought I need something for like all my coats. So this is an absolute mess at the moment, but I'm going to show you because it's realistic. So it has my coats in it. We've got some extra shoes up there, and then more shoes down here, and then I've just kept like random like coat hangers, that's to hang my washing up and stuff like that in here. But what I really love about the IKEA wardrobes is that you can just customize them to make them your own. So you can put in shelves, you can put in drawers, you can put in hangers, like whatever you want to do. Cupboards are pretty much my savior when it comes to bathroom storage. I have all of my skincare in here, and then more skincare in here. I've got another basket up there, another basket here, some baskets here. Literally just, I've used, oh yeah, there's another one there. In terms of your bedroom, my bedroom isn't the biggest, but I feel like I've utilized the space pretty well. So I have built storage onto the wall. Again, just these cues from IKEA for all of my makeup. And then again, wardrobes. Building in your wardrobes is so much better than having freestanding wardrobes. Like I said, with my ceilings, they're super high, so I can even fit storage baskets on top of here. But like these IKEA wardrobes are again like so easily customizable, and I love having everything like separated. I even have my jewellery in here, which also needs sorting out. And then with my bed, I'm not gonna lift it up now because my dog's on it, but it's one of the ones where you can lift it up, so I just store like suitcases and I mean just random stuff underneath there. I also have another set of 4 what they're called, squares. Again, another basket. And then my final storage hack is more cupboards on the wall. With this, I like the fact that the smaller cupboards don't come out as much. That would make it feel like kind of more cramped. So we've got the bigger ones that come out more, and then the smaller ones, and then I've just got more makeup in there. So I really hope that this has given you some inspo if you also have a small space to work with and a lot of stuff. Let me know in the comments if you do go on to use any of my space saving solutions, and let me know if you want any more videos to do with like homeware slash my flat, etc. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you did like it, and subscribe down below if you're not already, and I hope to see you all very, very soon. Goodbye.